I'll just show you how to set the sat nav. Any screen into nav. You've got menu there, destination entry, address, place of interest, postcode, map, coordinates, home, off-road, and other stuff you'll never use, no doubt. So we want postcode. Then we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. It's now defaulted or gone back to numbers 5. We're only 2 digits in our postcode, so I'm going to put that in, a space, then 4 and JS. So Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5 4JS. Then we click OK, just there. Then we've got to, even though we've clicked OK again, we've got to click destination. Now, start. So that's a bit long-winded, but it's a good system, simple enough once you know how.